3 cloud storage providers, 3 minutes, and a lot of ground to cover. Let's do it. Before we look at what makes pCloud, Icedrive, and Internxt different, let's start with what they have in common. On encryption, all 3 lean onto AES 256 and TLS, which is exactly what you want from any serious cloud storage service. Two-factor authentication is standard across the board, and each of them offers zero-knowledge protection in some form. On the trust side, all 3 position themselves as privacy first, but only Internxt publishes its source code and submits it regularly to third-party penetration tests. And the shared selling point? Every provider here offers a lifetime plan, so you pay once and you're done with subscriptions forever. Now, here's where they split. pCloud has been around since 2013, has held over 22 million users, and runs out of Switzerland, which carries some of the strongest privacy laws in Europe. It also recently shipped a new Wolf SSL stack across its desktop apps, sharpening both performance and security under the hood. 2 features set pCloud apart from anything else on this list: a built-in media player that streams video and music straight from the cloud, and a virtual drive that mounts your storage to your computer without eating local disk space. Where it slips is zero-knowledge encryption. It exists, it works, but it's a paid add-on rather than something you get by default. Icedrive flips that script. Every paid plan includes client-side encryption out of the box. No extra purchase required. Other thing worth knowing is that Icedrive doesn't use AES inside its encrypted folder. It uses Twofish, an algorithm most providers ignore, but cryptographers consider just as strong. A pretty unusual choice that gives Icedrive a genuine identity in a crowded market. Internxt takes the privacy angle further. Founded in 2020, it's the newest of the 3 by a clear stretch. But here's where most people get it wrong. Assuming a younger provider means a weaker one. Internxt actually has one of the more ambitious encryption setups of the 3. Layer in post-quantum Cyber 512 encryption on top of AES. Protect against threats that don't even exist yet. The codebase is also fully open source on GitHub, so anyone can verify how it works rather than taking the company's word for it. And quickly, if you're keen to try out one of these cloud storage plans or get the latest deals and pricing on all 3, I've left all 3 in the link in the description below. So, where do I rank them? Well, in my opinion, pCloud finishes first by a clear margin, helped by years of infrastructure refinement, and also that new Wolf SSL rollout. Icedrive lands second. Its virtual drive is one of the smoothest day-to-day experiences in cloud storage, and transfer speeds hold up well enough to keep pace. Internxt comes in third, and while it still performs well, it's also the newest of the 3, and that's something worth keeping in mind when you're committed to a lifetime plan. So, which one should you pick? Pay attention here, because this is where most people end up regretting their choice. Go with pCloud if you want speed, maturity, and a service that's been proven over a decade. Pick Icedrive if you'd rather not pay extra for encrypting your own files. Choose Internxt if privacy and long-term transparency matter more than anything else. That's the breakdown. If it helped, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment which one you're going to go with.